He lived at a time when the human rights and some of the challenges that usually emerging nations face, where sometimes the rights are violated, where political kind of narratives are weaved.
He indeed brought in a lot of partners to partner with the local church in order to transform communities, eradicate poverty, and ensure that there's justice for everybody.
And for sure they were shaping the destiny of this country by whatever they were raising. And it made the powers that be then to respond. Likewise, the parliament then used also to be very active